What's up guys, Byron's here, and I'm gonna show you the best configuration of your microphone on OBS Studio. First thing you need to do on OBS Studio is click the settings and find the audio tab and go to global audio devices and find mic audio and set your default mic. Mine here is microphone HyperX Podcast. Click that, click apply and click OK. Next is go to your audio mixer and find your mic there. Mine here is HyperX Quadcast and go to the gear tab beside it and click filters. Next is add the filters individually by clicking this button. Add the noise gate, noise suppression, compressor, and gain. Then set the settings like mine. The noise suppression, in the noise gate, in the compressor, and the gain. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope that you learned something from it. Also, if you want to watch some gaming content, you can watch me on twitch.tv/violence-gaming. See you there.
Blackbirds in the sky, look for reasons why.